Here we are again. It's subscription box review time. It's Stitch Fix this time. It's been a minute since I've had a fix, so I'm looking forward to seeing what my stylist picked out for me in this box. I am hoping there's some spring items in here to help me transition and fill some gaps in my closet. I've got some traveling coming up here in the end of February and March. My husband and I are headed to Hawaii, so I'm hoping there's some items in there that maybe I can bring along and utilize on our trips. So let's take a look what's in the box and find out what we've got. So here's what we've got. They sent some shoes, which I've never had shoes sent before. Fun. And then here's the stack. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. All right, first up we have the Sam Edelman size 6 pink tennis shoe. And they are listed for $95. Next we have the design. It's called a Design History, size small. It is $49 and it's described as a long-sleeved ribbed button-down shirt. There's that. Next we have the 41 Hawthorne Tate Verbiage crew neck sweater in navy. It's a size small petite and it is $59. Blocking the words there. There we go. This is merci. Cute. This is Thread and Supply. It is the Jilly long sleeve collared pink and burgundy size small petite and it is $59. And then finally we have the Studio Blue Bowen high rise patch pocket jeans. And they are a size 2 petite, and it looks like they are $78. So Studio Blue, kind of looks like a wide leg. These should be interesting. They are petite, so technically they should fit me. If you've been around for a while, I do struggle with jeans like most petite women. They're hard to find without having to hem them or cut them, but these are cute. I like the patch pocket. So we'll try those on and see if they work out. Okay, first up we have the Design History small petite long collared green shirt. It's got some nice piping on the sleeve. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit of a scallop and then a scallop on the collar as well. A little bit of rib. This is $49. Oops, don't want to step on Holly back there. I love this color green. It is like a Kelly green. It's one of my absolute favorite colors is green. And then I've paired this with the jeans that they sent. And these are $78, size 2 petite, wide leg, patch pocket, high rise. They're really comfortable. I just have a hard time wondering whether or not they're flattering on me or not. I just, I don't know. I wish I had like a personal stylist at home that would just tell me. That's what you guys are for. You can let me know before I send these back or keep them, are they flattering? It's the side view. Here's the back view. They're certainly comfortable, but sometimes comfort doesn't equate to looks good. I found that out. Next up is the 41 Hawthorne Verbiage Tate Navy crew neck sweater, short sleeve, puff sleeve, merci in blue. It is $59. And I am such a fan of cute graphics, cute words, cute dogs. You put that on a sweater and you've got me. So I like this. This is really cute. And this is probably something that I will be keeping because I think it fits my personality. I like it. All right, finally we have this Thread and Supply collared long sleeve top. It is size small petite. It is $59. And it is a fleece material. The underside, the inside of it is really like kind of a soft sweatshirt. So very soft, like a very soft fleece. Pink and burgundy with a white collared top. This really reminds me of something that I would have worn a long time ago in high school. I definitely lean toward preppy. I grew up in high school. It was like in the 80s, so it was very popular. And this is definitely something that I would have worn. I don't know if I can pull it off today, but it is cute. It is soft. I do like pink and I like burgundy, and it's perfect for February. And if I didn't say already, this is $59. So my stylist is Erica, and the note that she sent today was, "Welcome back, pretty lady. Are you staying cozy this winter? I'm so ready for spring." Me too. "I love styling you again, and thanks for inviting another fix into your closet as we head into February. I leaned into cozy but polished pieces you can wear around your town and easily mix with what you already own. The Studio Blue high-rise wide-leg jeans are brand new in our assortment and give you a modern base to pair with both knits in this fix. Try them with the green design history rib button front Johnny collar top for a refined everyday look, or with the pink Thread and Supply collared rugby fleece when you want something sporty and soft. The navy 41 Hawthorne Verbiage crew neck sweater is another fresh release and adds a touch of personality while still feeling classic with the jeans. What do you think about the darling Sam Edelman sneakers? XO Erica." So Erica did, I think, a really good job picking out pieces for me this time. These are all pieces that I probably would pull for myself if I saw them in the store. So the subtotal was $340. If I keep 5 of the items, I get an $85 discount. That brings the subtotal to $255. I get a credit of $20 for the styling fee. Shipping is free. So the grand total for the entire order, if I keep all 5, is $235. I think that's a really fair price for all these different items. I think I've spoke about before, you can spend $200 just on a pair of jeans, and I'm getting 3 shirts, a pair of jeans, and some sneakers for the same price. So I'm excited about this. I think she did a great job, and I think these will be some fun pieces that I'll be able to transition into my spring wardrobe and wear on my travels. So that's wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this Stitch Fix. There'll be more to come, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you so very much. If you haven't subscribed, please consider. I'd love for you to come along with me on this fashion journey of mine. I do different subscription boxes. Right now, Stitch Fix is at the top of my list, my favorite, but I also do Daily Look and Oneable and others that I come across. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.